Okay, you want to see how I do a can of sweet peas? Put a little bit of oil in the bottom of a pan. Probably like maybe a tablespoon to 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Get it hot. And then you want to dice a small shallot or regular onion, whatever you have. I'm using a shallot. Saute those for a little bit. Just comes together so fast, so easy. My little Italian friend taught me this many years ago. Many, 40, 45 years ago. And we've loved it ever since. So after those saute for a minute or two, then you want to take mince of garlic, or dice it however you want to do it. Put that down there in the bottom. You know what they say, as soon as you start to smell the garlic, you know it's good to go. Turn the heat down. Once you get that simmering, drain those peas and just dump them in. Toss them around in that oil, garlic and onions. Turn the heat down, I did. Put some salt, some black pepper, that looks like a lot, but it comes out very slow. So once it heats through, you got your dish of peas all done. Tell me your family won't love these. I bet they do. I could eat the whole can. And I have for lunch, or sometimes even a dinner. Or back in the day, we used to call it supper. When I was a kid, Mom and Dad had 13 kids, and we didn't have dinner. We had supper in the evening. And that consisted of maybe going out in the garden and picking all of our corn off the cob, you know, or corn on the cob, and having the big